Okay, I am at the fabric store right now because I have this dress. Gorgeous peach dress. I'll wear it. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I bought this dress. It was a good deal, good color, good everything. The only problem is that it is too short for me. Entirely too short. When I wear it, I feel like I'm wearing a mini skirt, and that's not what I want to rock right now. If I wanted a mini skirt, I will get a mini skirt, but a mini dress, I will get a mini dress. But I wanted to wear, like, you know, a little bit below the knee kind of dress. So I need to like lengthen this to be below my knees. But I don't know how to, or what fabric to use to lengthen it. So I've come to the fabric store. We're going to go in together. I'm going to take the dress to make sure that whatever I get matches the dress. And I will hopefully get some inspiration because I want to wear this to a waykeeping that I'm going this Saturday. Let's get in. About to walk into the fabric store. This particular one is called SAS Fabric Store. It's considered to be downtown in Phoenix. I hope they have something to help me out today. It feels good to be in the car. Just this small thing that I went, I'm sweating like a Christmas goat. Okay, it was very hot in there. It's like a warehouse, you know. They discount a lot of the fabric, so they save their budget. They choose to put in fan instead of AC, but it's all good. So this is what I ended up getting. I got this little bracelet. Oh man, it's too sunny. You guys can't see the true color. See that? The coral color is what I like. It looks like our own coral beads. I got this for the chiquitos, for all three of them. This was $2 each. I picked up 3 for the girls. I picked up 3 for the chiquitos. And then here is the fringe. Oh my goodness. Love the color. My problem now is I hope the color matches, you know? This is what I'm going for. I was looking for a peach fringe, but I could not find one. So this is the next best thing, because the accessory I plan on wearing this with is gold. This also has gold belts. It has gold buttons as well. So I figured this will match. Oh gosh, I hope I made the right choice. I really hope I did, because this will be a waste of trip, a waste of money. I mean, it wasn't too bad. The total cost of this is $13.67, so let's call it $14. All right, so we got the fringe, and I am pinning the fringe now to the hemline. This is the inside of the dress. This is the outside. So I have the inside out, and I am pinning the fringe border just right along the hemline and the inside. So I'm just going to sew all throughout the hemline, and once I have the dress on, you're going to see the fringe like so. So the pinning the fringe on is going to help me sew this. If you feel like you don't need it, you don't have to do it, but it helps. It's sort of like a guideline. So yeah, pinning all along, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once we are done. Okay, so this is all done. Let's see how much we added in length. So at least 10 inches, 10 point something inch, 10.5, almost 11. So nicely lengthened.
turn up. Let's go.